Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Latte Dock and making sure Plasma recognizes it. This is the critical first step. Use your package manager or Flatpak. Once installed, open system settings and enable desktop effects if needed. Then restart Plasma Shell to load Latte. This ensures any new panels register correctly. Once done, launch Latte from the application menu. You should see an empty dock. Make sure to keep this session active so you can configure layouts without losing changes. You now build the dock. Open Latte settings and create a new layout or import one. This determines panels, tasks, and docks. Add applets by right-clicking the dock and selecting Add Widgets. Populate with Launcher, Task Manager, and System Tray. Adjust alignment, icon size, and spacing so the dock fits your workflow. These visual settings affect click targets and muscle memory. Once comfortable, tweak behavior like auto-hide and reveal sensitivity, because those control when the dock appears and how intrusive it feels. You finish by fine-tuning and saving your layout so changes persist. Use the Save button in Layouts. If something breaks, restore the default layout to recover a working state and then reapply custom tweaks slowly. If icons vanish or behavior is odd, restart Plasma Shell. If issues persist, reset Latte's config files or test under X11 versus Wayland because compositor differences often cause problems. One key troubleshooting tip: restart Plasma after major changes to ensure settings fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.